What if I told you that even the worst neighborhood could be made completely safe without risking the life of one single law enforcement officer?
We need to give Americans a figure they can rally behind.
We can't put a machine on the street.
Forget machine. They want a product of the conscience.
Hi, baby.
Too slow, boy. We're gonna put a man inside a machine.
You say you can save him, but what kind of life will he have?
Time to wake him up.
Make him more tactical. Let's go with black.
Quality control, EM 208 versus Tin Man.
Wow.
We are going to make a lot of money.
He's coming.
Gonna play good cop, bad cop?
Bad cop, Robocop.
He's undoing what we did to him.
Shut him down!
Dead or alive, you're coming with me.